Hello everyone and welcome back again, dear friends. We are discussing a model question paper. Okay, this is the question number 9b. It is again a one-way ANOVA problem. Okay, so model 5th, set up ANOVA analysis of variance table for the following per acre production data for three varieties of wheat. Okay, each grown on four plots, and state if the variety difference are significant. This problem is similar to that of question number 9a, whatever we have solved. If you have not watched it yet, you can go through the description box. I have provided the link over there. Okay, this is the plot of land 1 2 3 4, and the per acre production data is given for A, B, C over here. Okay, so this is 6 5, so this is the data. So there is the same procedure what we have done earlier, so just I will give you the brief explanation on this particular question. So use ANOVA given at 5% level. F at degrees of freedom 2 comma 9 is equal to 4.26. So you should remember, when only one F is there in the problem, so it is definitely a one way ANOVA, and we have previously solved one problem on it. Okay, so just make the box as it is, whatever is given. So one sorry, this 6557543333874, just total it. 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 8, you will get 24. This much if you add up, you will get 20. This much if you add, 16. Then take down the squares of it. Ti square is equal to 556 576. This is your 20 square is 400, 16 square is 256, and make a total of this t over here, that is your 60. Okay, next, take down the box as it is, but take the squares. So sum of squares I have to take. So 6 square is 36, 5 square is 25, 5 square is 25. Likewise, you have to take the squares of all. Okay, then you have to take the summation of these squares. So 36 plus 49 plus 9 plus 64, you will get 158, and by summing these terms you will get 108, and by summing this much you will get 66, and add up these squares over here. Okay, you will get 332 in total. Now you already know the formulas. Correction factor is equal to t square by n. So t, how much is the t? We have calculated here. See here, t is equal to 60 by summing these terms. Okay, so 60 square divided by 12. N is the number of observations. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So you will get by dividing this much, you will get 300. So TSS, total sum of squares, is equal to summation of xij square minus cf. So these are the sum of squares. We have calculated this one also, 332. So 332 minus correction factor is 300, you will get 32, right? Then sum of squares of treatments is given by summation of ti square by ni minus cf. So ti square already we have calculated in this table. So 576 divided by 4. There are number of observations are 4 over here. See here, 1 2 3 4. So 4 plots of land are there, so we have to take 4 over here. So ti square by ni is 576 by 4, then 400 divided by 4, 256 divided by 4 minus correction factor. So we have calculated here, that is 300. Okay, I hope it is clear. So SST you will get by adding up this much and subtracting 300. You will get SST is equal to 8, sum of squares of treatments. Then sum of squares due to error is equal to total sum of squares minus sum of squares of treatments. Okay, so TSS we have calculated 32, SST we have already calculated 8, so you will get 24 SSE value. Okay, so then we need to formulate the ANOVA table, which consists of the sources of variation, degree of freedom, sum of squares, and mean sum of squares, and F ratio. Okay, so this is your ANOVA table, degree of freedom, SS, like that. So between treatments, degrees of freedom, there is a formula k minus 1. So k is the number of treatments over there. So that is your per acre production data, that is 1 2 3. Okay, so 3 minus 1 is 2, and error, for error degree of freedom is n minus 3 over here. So n minus k is actually, so n is the 12 total number of observations minus k, that is your plot of land in this case. See here, sorry, this much, abc, that is your production data, abc. So this is your 12 minus 3 is 9. So then sum of squares, sst you have to write down, sse you have to write down. Okay, so what is the sst value? That is your 8. What is the sse value? That is your 24. Okay, see here, I have written 24. Then mean sum of squares, this is sst divided by degree of freedom, 8 divided by 2, so that is 4. Then sse divided by degree of freedom, that is 24 divided by 9, you will get 2.66. Okay, now in order to find the f ratio, so f ratio is given by which is the major one, which is the bigger number. So 4 divided by minimum, so 4 divided by 2.66, you will get the f ratio as 1.50, right? So since f is equal to 1.50, it is definitely less than the 4.26 which is mentioned in the question. f at 2 comma 9. See, these are the degrees of freedom. Okay, 2 and this one 9. Okay, so at 2 comma 9 f ratio is 1.50. Therefore we can conclude that 1.50 is less than this mentioned value 4.26. Therefore hypothesis is accepted in this case. If in case it is larger, then our hypothesis is supposed to be rejected over there. Okay, I hope this much explanation is enough, just because you have the less time over there for the examination. So I wish you all the best for your examinations. Thank you.